Boost your Instagram engagement. How to pin a comment. Engagement is one of the most important things on Instagram. Everyone wants it, from normal users to creators and businesses, but the challenge lies in achieving it. A great way to enhance interaction is by fostering conversations in the comment section of your posts. One effective method to assist with this is by pinning certain comments to the top of your comments screen. Why pin a comment? There are several reasons why you might want to pin a comment. Highlight positive interactions. Pinning positive and constructive comments can create a welcoming environment in your comment section. Answer common questions. Repeatedly answering the same questions can be tiring. By pinning a comment that addresses a frequently asked question, you save time and effectively inform your audience. Show appreciation. Pinning insightful or humorous comments allows you to recognize and showcase both your followers' contributions and the lighthearted moments shared in your community. Promote discussions. You can pin comments that spark interesting conversations to encourage further engagement. Currently, only account owners can pin comments on their posts. Unfortunately, this feature is unavailable for individual comments on other users' posts. So you can't pin your witty reply to someone else's post. Sorry about that. How to pin a comment. Pinning a comment is quite simple, and the steps are similar for both iOS and Android devices. Here's how to do it. Open the Instagram app and go to the post where you want to pin a comment. Click on the profile photo icon at the bottom right of the screen to view your profile. Open the comments and swipe down to find the comment you want to pin. For iOS users, swipe the comment to the left and tap the pin icon that appears. For Android users, tap and hold the comment until a menu appears, then tap the pin icon. After following these steps, the pinned comment will now be displayed at the top of the comment section, even with new comments being added later. Things to remember. You can only pin up to 3 comments per post. The person whose comment you've pinned will receive a notification informing them of your action. To unpin a comment, simply repeat the same steps and tap the pin icon again. Conclusion. Pinning comments can be a valuable tool for enhancing your Instagram presence and building a positive community around your content. Take the time to curate the conversations happening on your posts. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.